using for loop. So the iterator is something that iterates through the objects or elements. The for loop is something that also iterates. So why do we need to use iterator instead of for loop? So the first thing is, in collection, we know that everything is very dynamic, right? The sizes of the list and everything is very dynamic. First thing. So if we were trying to iterate through a dynamic list, then it would be really hard for loop to mention to iterate through the index and everything, because the index might not stay same. Index might get changed. Some type of collection classes does not even have an index properly. Okay, so in that case, what do? We use the iterator interface. So iterator allows us to move dynamically through a list and to perform various actions inside that particular list. First, say, go to the 15th line, like go to the 14th line and enter, press and enter. Yeah, write iterator, capital I, give the diamond operator, and define the element type to be string. Oh my God. Yeah, good. Now give the object reference, anything. Oh, obj is there. Okay, yeah. Equals. What was the object of the first one? That is obj, right? Obj dot iterator. No, don't use new. Don't use new. Iterator is a constructor. Obj dot that would be a small I. Give brackets. Yeah. Give the semicolon there also. Input from the second one. Java.ut. Yeah. Yeah. So as you can see, what we are doing here, we are mentioning the object one to be an iterator object. Okay. So the iterator is an interface, and that iterator is a method. The first iterator here is the interface, and the second iterator here is the method. Okay. So just control click on the first iterator. So as you can see, public interface iterator. What is the iterator? It is an interface with unimplemented methods, and it has only 3 or 4 methods. Maybe it has 4 methods in it. One is has next. Go down, go down, go down, go down. Has next. There is the next. And there is remove. And there is for each remaining. Okay, these 4 methods are there. With the help of this 4 method, we execute the entire data as a list. As of now, what we are doing, the list class, who is sharing? Swati is sharing, right?
No, Saujanya itself.
Saujanya, please.
We are giving the string values.
Yeah, go to the list. Yeah. So what has been happening when we were just like system.out.println with object. When we were printing the object, how was it coming? It was coming as an array in the square basis, right? As of now. But if we want to print it as a list, what we will have to do, we will have to iterate through each and every object. As soon as the iterator is invoked, it will go to the first object and it will put that as an object of the list. Then go to the second, go to the third, like that it will iterate. Okay. Just give a simple next method here. Okay. Type syso. Yeah. Inside there, write obj1. Now what we are doing, we are calling the methods of iterator with the help of the object reference. What is the object reference here? What is the object reference here? What is an object reference? Hello, dead people. Hello, you there?
Check.
What is an object reference variable?
obj1.
Yeah. So as I was missing the variable, everyone got confused, huh? So the object reference, with the help of the object reference variable, we are calling the methods. Give a dot. Yeah. Go to next. Yeah. You can see the next method is coming from the iterator interface, right?
Yes.
Click on that. Yeah. So what will the method do? As soon as your list has a next element, it will keep printing. Okay. And as soon as the list is short of element, it will stop printing. You remember in the for loop what we used to do? We used to set a boundary like I is less than 10 or I is less than equal to 14. Like that we used to set a boundary, right?
Yes.
So what are we doing? We are doing the data to be, we are making the data to be hard coded there. We are mentioning that it should be 14, it should be 10, iterate till it is 9, iterate till it is 11, like that we are mentioning, right? But here we don't have to mention any kind of length. Why? Because the array list can be dynamic also. If I wanted later, I would have added some more values to it. So using the obj.next helps me to avoid the hard coding of the sizing. I'm just mentioning, just keep going on as long as there is a element. Okay. So now this element, sorry, I mentioned a wrong thing here. The next element, what does it do? It exactly prints whatever is in the next. Just run the code, you will know. Run the code. Yeah, what does it do? It only prints the first, because whatever is in the next here, it will print it. Okay, getting it?
Means the first element will be displayed.
Yes, the first element will be displayed. Now, if we want to display each and every element, whatever we have in the, we have to use a while loop here. Okay, what does the while loop do? Anyone has any idea about the while loop?
While the condition is true, it is going in the loop.
Yeah, try this one, Saujanya. Go to the next line. Write while. In the bracket, give the condition. Oh my God, while should be. Yeah. These things you guys really need to like look on. Yeah, inside there you have to use the has next method. Has next method. obj1 dot is a has next. Yeah, just before clicking on that, see that this method returns like a boolean, works like a boolean thing. What is it? This is simple English. Okay. While
Also.
object1 has next value, print it. While object1 does not have next value, don't print it. If has next is true, that means the object has a value,
Next one.
right? Next value it has. If it is false, then it does not have a next value. It will break through it. Okay. It will not print it. Okay. So object1 dot has next, take the has next. Yeah. Oh no, not like that. You have to give a body, right? Okay, don't give the body, just leave it. Give a break or yeah. Go on. No issues, no issues. However you want, go on.
Should I give this obj1
obj1.
Yeah.
obj1. Next.
Hey, just give me a sec.
Next.
next one?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry. What have you done? Wait, I'm not in a screen. Yeah. So yeah, so what is it doing? It is printing the value of each and every element as long as the value has an element, the next value. As soon as it does not have, it is stopping there, right? So with this methods, with this iterator, we don't have to define any particular amount of iteration. We don't have to define any kind of like incremental or decremental things, because it is possible, very much possible, that in between the list, the suddenly the value are increasing, okay, so or decreasing, or the list is very dynamic. So the methods also has to be dynamic. That is why we don't use for loop and we use iterator instead of for loop in collection. Okay, two of the methods we have seen. The third method was there, remove, right? So remove is nothing but removing an element while iterating. That is only possible in iterator. You can't remove an element in the for loop, right? Like that, okay. Even if you do, you have to break out from the for loop. But in iterator, you're removing the element and continuing to iterate the rest of the things, or doing it in a dynamic sense. Okay, am I clear? If I'm not clear, just stop me.
Can you repeat it once?
Yeah, well. So for say I want to remove the element from the index 5. Okay. So what will I have to do? In for loop, I have to give a condition that when the index is 5, break, or when the index is 5, just delete the thing or something like that. If that method exists, we will have to use that method. We have to define the index there, that if index is 5, just delete that. Okay, in for loop. But what happens in iterator, as we know, in the collection, if we add any other value, if we remove any other value from the middle, the index might be changing internally, right? We have seen it before in the array list.
Yes.
If we change any method from the between, the rest of the methods index also keeps changing. So hard coding the index is a very difficult thing in while removing the object. What will we do? We will compare with the values. Okay, like what? For say inside this while loop only, we will try to do that. Okay, right. Remove the system that out of println.
Sorry, ma'am, I didn't get you.
Yeah, remove the system that out of println, the 19th line. Yeah, remove that. Inside the while loop, give an if condition. Okay, give if obj1 inside the braces.
Yes.
Sorry. Dot.
Sorry.
There is an equals method. See, equals. Yeah,
Shall I take it?
yeah. Take it. Give any object like grapes or banana or apple, whatever you want. Yeah. Start with the curly braces, just like the structure of any if. Given. Then write obj dot. Yeah, dot. obj1 dot. Yeah, no issues with that. There is a remove, right? Yeah, remove. And give a break here. Yeah, so what are we doing here? We are iterating through the list from 18th line. As soon as the iteration comes to grapes, as soon as the element thinks that it is grapes, it is equals to grape, it will remove the element and go on with the rest of the things. Are you getting me? Go to the error. What is showing? Why is the gray line there? It shouldn't be there. Suppress warnings and likely argumented to name. Computer problem. Run it once. Let's see what happens. Just not getting inside the loop.
We have not given the
Other than
system
the
output, right?
statement, right?
Oh yeah,
System.
yeah. Give right. Give that. Not required actually.
Asking to remove, sorry.
There's something wrong with the code I have written.
Remove the argument.
No, print. You can't handle it. Wait.
We are not indicating to remove which element, right? I think.
Yeah. Go to the 18th line and press and enter.
What? Sorry, ma'am.
18th line. Go to the 18th line and press and enter. Write string.
String.
String. Take any variable.
I've taken this if condition. We have to write this in while condition only. Or shall I take outside?
No. Inside the while condition. Take any variable inside there. Any variable. S. Take S. Yeah. Equals to. That variable dot next. The variable name that you have given dot next.
Variable dot next.
Yeah. Str fruit dot next. Should be there. It should be there. Go to down. Go down. It isn't there.
Let me try manual.
Oh, my head has gone mad. Wait, sorry. That should be obj1. Oh, how can I create an? Oh my god. Yeah, the next
First one.
First one. Seems like my speech has not been broken yet. Yeah. Now try to run this one and like remove the system that out that println. Yeah. Comment this line. Yeah. Now try this one. Wait. We have created the str fruit, right? As soon as str fruit equals, yeah. Change the obj to str fruit. obj1 in the 20th line to str.
Sorry, ma'am. OBJ1, I've repeated.
Yeah. Change this to on the 20th line. Change this to. Yeah. Now it should work. Wait. While obj1 has next str1, so to go to the next and if str fruit is equals to go. Try running once.
Remove also we have to keep str fruit only. No?
Yeah. I think yes. Try this one. Try giving remove str obj, str fruit.
Sorry, here also.
Try giving. No, I don't think it will come. Do one thing. Comment the 17th line. What's left? Yeah. Now try with this one once. Try running the program once.
It's not showing any.
Okay, why? That is a shocker.
Without the system output, will it come?
Something has to come. Something has to come. If that is not coming, that means that the only 17 line was printing. It is not getting inside the while loop. Why is it not getting inside the while loop? That is a question. Okay. Okay. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. I think I have to look into that. I might have to create a nested while here. Not sure. Okay. As of now, everyone has got an idea of what iterator does, like orally or verbally.
Yes.
Hello. Anyone saying something? Sujit was saying something, right?
I said yes.
Okay. So that is what mostly the iterator does. That is why we use the iterator. Okay. And this thing I will check once and I will get back to you. I think I'm making some silly mistakes here. Sometimes happens. Okay. So anyone has any questions about the iterator anymore? Apart from this one?
Not as of now.
As of now, no, Pulomita.
Okay, yeah, fine, no issues. Just try and try it home and it will be clear more. Okay, so you can stop the recording, Monica, right now.